Hey there, I'm Andy Hardy with Hardy Voice Media, and I'm just going to take a minute and I'm going to explain to you how to post and predate content. That is taking content and schedule it out for future posts and post it essentially further back in your timeline so it looks like you have a longer or a continued history of posting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to my computer and we're going to hit screen record. So I'm going to open up Safari here and we are on the page right here. You can see earlier today I went ahead and put together some posts for them and they are backdated now. So here's how we do that. We're going to upload the photo we want, and right now I want to upload this picture of the Discovery Shuttle. This is something they sell in their gift shop, and I've already put together a piece for it and it's on my clipboard. So we're just going to go ahead and paste that in there. And so of course I need to fix this because we need to at them. And there we go. All right, we're going to throw a couple hashtags in here. Shift hashtag. We're going to at NASA because it's a NASA thing. So let's hit NASA up there. I'm going to check in to Bonne Terre, which is where this is located. Bonne Terre, Missouri. Perfect. And we're going to post that. Don't be afraid. You can always delete a post. So then what I'm going to do is refresh the page. So we're just going to hit change date here, and I have posts going up to currently the 21st. So I'm going to bring us up to the 23rd, which is almost current. I'm going to save that, and now what I've done is I've just created an entire history for a whole month. I believe this was 8 posts going from the 1st of February till basically today. So that is how you create posts, how you backdate posts, so that way it fills out a timeline, whether that's fixing a gap between the last time the person who owned the page posted or the last person who was managing the page posted. Now you know how to do it. Thanks for watching. You guys have a fantastic day, and check back in for more social media tips like this in the future. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.